Hey guys, so today we're just doing an opening of an incubator and a basic setup. Once it arrives, you just open it up. Inside the incubator are all the bits and pieces you'll need: feeders, drinkers, everything for once your little eggs are hatching. You will also find some spray bottles. These are handy for your humidity adjustments, and candela for checking the eggs along the way, power cord, and instruction manual, which you would definitely need to hang on to. So once you've got all the bits and pieces out, you will see inside the tray ready for your eggs. So the power cord for the turning tray plugs into the lid like that. Just make sure you have all the pieces out. You will find there are two little loose clips. These can be red or yellow. These are simply to replace any broken parts on your turning tray should you need them later on. Once you've got that out, we do recommend in the instructions, before adding any eggs or any water, make sure you plug it in, turn it on and let it run for at least a few hours, if not overnight. This way you can make sure everything's working before you actually put your eggs in, and will avoid any mishaps. So once you've got that sorted, pop the lid back on. You can leave the unit inside the foam. We do recommend that because it can keep the temperature and humidity more stable for you, especially when it's exposed to light and heat. Once you get your power cord open, simply plug into the unit. And it will start up once turned on. The unit does come with preset temperature and humidity ratings. These will need to be adjusted as per your produce supplier, so if you are advised to change these, please make sure you check with them first as to what the best settings are. And then all of your instructions on page 1 and 2 will explain how to set these up. I'll quickly run through for you now though. As you can see, it's heating up. To change any settings at all, have to hold the set button down and it will beep, and you'll go to the setting for F1. You simply just quick press the set button in between the settings to change any of the temperatures or humidity ratings that suit your desired eggs, and it will go back to your standard underneath as well. And then all you need to do is hold the plus and minus buttons down at the same time for about 8 seconds, and you will hear it beep and the screen will reset for you. Perfect. Good luck, guys.